What is up, guys, and welcome back to another one of Yonkis vlogs. I did finally upgrade, guys. Finally I bought a camera. No more having to record on my phone. I know you guys, I don't know why it would bug some of you guys, but finally. So here's my phone and here's my camera, guys. Check it out. Can you see yourselves? Show! But guys, I am going to the post office right now early in the morning. I'm gonna go drop off these packages, and then I'm gonna go clean my car from the outside and probably the inside real quick, because we're going to a car meet, guys. It is kind of like a supercar car meet out in Mesa, Arizona. So it is kind of far from me, so I have to get up pretty early and do all this. It is currently 9 in the morning. The meet is not until 12, but I need to go to the post office, clean my car, and then maybe even get something to eat, guys. I need to put gas. So it's gonna be kind of a long 2 hours, but let's get on this trip and let's get today rolling. Okay, guys, so I did come to the post office and I looked up online if it was open today, and it said it was, but I don't know why it's not open today. Like, it's open, but you can only go to your PO box, if that makes sense. You can't drop off anything. So now I'm gonna have to wait until Monday and do this after work, but it's all good. We're gonna go head out. We're gonna wash the car. It is kind of cold today, guys. It's about 57 right now. I know that doesn't sound cold, but for us in Arizona, it's pretty cold, so that's why I'm wearing a jacket. I'm gonna go wash the car real quick, guys, and then probably go get some coffee or something, and then head out that way to Mesa, and then meet up the other homies that are going too. So let's get this going, and we'll see you guys over there. We're gonna do a little mini pool right here. Damn. Hey guys, so I did end up coming to Home Depot because I need to get some rags so I could dry my car with, and the only ones I like are the ones at Home Depot. So let's see if we find some inside real quick. Okay guys, so we did get lucky. We did find the rags, and there's like a Starbucks over there. So I have the rags. I'm gonna get my coffee, and then I'm gonna go to the car wash and wash up the mamalon. I know, kind of dirty, but it's all good. Hey guys, so we ended up not getting Starbucks. I ended up just going to the 7-Eleven so that I could also get cash so I could wash my car. But I am just gonna wash it and dry it real quick, and then I'm gonna go meet up my friend Brian and my friend Luis out there in Mesa, and then we're gonna head to that meet, guys. So pick up the camera then, and I hope you guys are ready to see these nice ass cars. Slow guy right here. Hey, what does this beast have done to it? Huh? What does it have done to it? Stock V6. El otro stock V6er. Damn, Yonke. Damn, guys, there's hella people here. Hella cars. Of course, you know, I had to park next to this Mustang right here. But look at this. They're all some sick ass cars. What's up, Bob?
Ya llegamos.
Ya llegamos.
How the fucking Mustangs look black, man?
This G8 next to this Mustang right here. Ah! Say hi to my vloggers. Tell them hi, Yonke. Damn guys, the weather is super nice right now. It's kind of cloudy, kind of sunny, but it's great. There's so many cars here. This vlog is probably gonna be so long, but it's all good because they're sick. You know we out here. You know we out here. That Chris from Supercar Suspects is here too, guys. So it's pretty lit. It's a pretty sick ass car, me. I ain't even gonna lie. What's up, bro? How you liking the event?
What's going on, vlog? Yeah, we're just chilling out here. Nice weather, nice cars. Here with my boy. Subscribe to the boys channel, man.
Thanks, bro.
Man,
Hey,
absolutely, bro.
I like your bet, bro.
Thank you, bro.
This was your boy Yonke Vlogs, and peace out.